we are asked here to simplify 2 to the negative 1 minus 3 to the negative 1 all over 2 to the 1/3 minus 3 to the 1/3. So what shall we do? I think the best thing to do here is to remove first the negative exponent by doing, instead of 2 to the negative 1, you'll have 1/2, and then here you will have 1/3. Okay, all over 2 to the 1/3 minus 3 to the 1/3. And how do we simplify this? Well, let me think. Okay, here the top will have no problem really. This will just become 1/2 minus 1/3. I'll take the LCD of 6, so it will become 3 over 6 minus 2 over 6, and the top will just simply become, just with the numerator, we don't have problem with that, will simply become a 1/6. But the denominator, I think we do have a problem here, because the idea here is that 2 to the 1/3 actually is a radical. If expressed in radical format, it will just be equal to cube root of 2, and we don't want that. We don't want to see a radical in the denominator or a fractional exponent. So what shall we do is we try our best that this will be cubed, raised to the third, so that the 1/3 will be gone. And how do we do that? The idea is we need to remember the special products that says a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared is just equal to a cube minus b cube. So if that is our goal, we can multiply the top and the bottom by that, right? So that is how we rationalize this one. Let me try to do that. Okay, so here let me multiply this thing on the top and the bottom by this factor here, a squared plus ab plus b squared. So multiply that here. A here will be 2 to the 1/3. Okay, so a squared will be, of course, 2, no, sorry, it's not a, but 2 to the 1/3 squared, it's 2 to the 2/3, right? Because you square a 2 to the 1/3, it will become a 2 to the 2/3 plus ab. So a times b, it will be what? A times c. What is ab then? AB will be 2 to the 1/3 times 3 to the 1/3. Okay, and then they have the same exponent, so I can just have 6 to the 1/3. Okay, plus 6 to the 1/3 plus here plus b squared, of course, 3 to the 1/3. 3 to the 2/3. Okay, because you square a 3 to the 1/3. And again, just copy that here. I'll just do a copy paste, and then the result will supposed to be just cube of 2 to the 1/3. It's simply 2 minus a cube minus b cube. B will be 3 to the 1/3 cube, which is just 3, and of course the top will remain to be this. Okay, this will just somehow be copied on top. Okay, so that will just be here, and also here on the final form it will be here, and this will be -1 here. Okay, so what will be the final form? This will be it. I'll just copy that. 2 to the 2/3 plus 6 to the 1/3 plus 3 to the 2/3 all over -6. If I put the -6 at the bottom, or this, if I want to express in terms of radicals, this will become cube root of 2 squared, which is just 4, plus this is cube root of 6 plus cube root of 3 squared, which is just 9. Okay, all over -6, or I can just put the -6 here if I want to. Okay, I think I'll just put the -6 here, and then it's better to put this in parentheses so that at least I'll not be confused that the negative is for the whole fraction, not just for the square root of 3 over 4.